Hello everyone, this is your weekly check-in for Math 61. So a new week this week, and in this weekly check-in, I want to make sure that you know where to go to get tutoring help if you need it. So the information about tutoring can be found in our course syllabus. So I'm in the Blackboard shell. Over on the left-hand side, you see a black ribbon, and if you click on syllabus, there's attachment within that page, and you can click on that attached file and download the syllabus. So here is the Word document, and within that Word document, let's see what page it's on. That's page 1, page 2, page 3. I'm looking for tutoring service. We're getting close, I feel it. There it is. On page 5 of the syllabus, it gives you a web link for the tutoring service. So what I would do is I would just highlight that link, copy it, and then we can paste it right into our web browser. And that brings us to the tutoring web page. On that tutoring web page, you can contact the tutoring services and make an appointment, or you can send an email to them. There is additional resources there, so on and so forth. There's also directions on how to make an appointment if you want an appointment. Here is the tutoring schedule if you want to do that. Scroll on down, you can get the schedule for your math courses. There it is. Okay. And also tutoring for other courses. So if you're in other classes and you need tutoring, there's the tutoring resources available to you there. All right. Hope everybody's doing well this week. Hopefully you are a little bit more informed on where to go if you need tutoring. Hope you guys have a great week.